Good day, my name is Nicolene Schoeman-Louw and I'm an internationally accredited legal project practitioner. I'm accredited by the International Institute of Legal Project Management. I'm also a practicing attorney, conveyancer, notary public and mediator, practicing as such in Cape Town, South Africa, under the style and banner of Schoeman-Louw Incorporated. We are also, as Schoeman-Louw Incorporated, the approved training provider for legal project management on the African continent. In today's video, I would like to talk about scope definition, the first of the four-step process under the LPM Framework. I often refer to it as the what as well, and we spend a lot of time in our training unpacking what the what really means. Now, as legal practitioners, particularly senior legal practitioners, we are well versed in identifying the most appropriate legal process to be followed in the execution of a legal project, even identifying the requirements to be met and to proceed accordingly. However, we often fall short on identifying correctly what successful execution means to the recipient of the benefits or of the outcome of the legal project in question. We often fall short when it comes to our communications around what we will be doing, what the constraints are or the limitations are, and what the process looks like in the case of a deviation or in the case of an additional component which something has gone wrong, which we couldn't foresee, and this is the process in which we will navigate it. We often also do not communicate or collect the relevant information as to what style of communication would be best served in relation to a particular stakeholder or a particular person whom the execution depends on. So the point is, there are many components beyond identifying the correct legal process or its requirements that will satisfy effective scope definition. I often say if our what is off, so will our planning be. Ultimately, we won't know this until we start delivering and the complaints start flowing in or unhappiness starts to eventuate. And naturally, if that's the trajectory that we are following, closing cannot be anything other than a debrief on what went wrong and how to fix it next time. So why go through the process of trial and error and potentially not retaining those learnings towards continuous professional improvement of your legal department or practice? Thank you so much for joining us. We hope that you enjoyed our video today. Should you be interested in becoming internationally accredited as either a legal project associate or a legal project practitioner, please do not hesitate to contact us. Simply go to www.schoemanlaw.co.za and navigate to the LPM training page, where you'll find course content, cost, and upcoming dates. For your convenience, tickets are also available on Quicket. Simply follow us on LinkedIn or Facebook for up-to-date information as to getting your ticket today. Our invitation is open to all legal practitioners, whether you are in the practicing or non-practicing environment anywhere on the African continent. We also encourage you to include your support staff within these training sessions so that you are able to evolve and become more efficient as a legal department or as a law firm to remain competitive in an extremely disrupted and competitive world. We look forward to seeing you and to taking this journey with you.